So this time we're doing wraps.
A chicken wrap.
First of all, I want to say that a wrap could be very varied.
In the meantime, I'm going to try to get all the meat from the bones. So I'm using a knife and a fork now, but when you're home, you can use your hands.
For this wrap, we use different topics. I will put some avocado. I'm gonna put some onions, cucumber. Just gonna start placing the chicken in the middle. Carrots. And you can use some green onions, chives. Yeah, just to give a bit more of flavor.
So you can use parsley if you want. Put some dressing that we previously used for other salads. Maybe a bit of pepper
And salt. Put in here. Put on this side.
So you kind of need to use a bit of power, no?
Yeah.
Press on,
Right.
squeeze it together.
Nice.
I will definitely put
Put a
some salad on the side, really, or sweet potato wedges.